Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Judy Know the Vibes here. Wanted to show y'all a reason why I failed. My strategy, my market reversal strategy failed me. Cause it's losses. If you don't have the correct confluences, um, overall, it's just long story short, it's best to have the most confirmations in your trade. It's gonna give you the most confidence, all that above. So, this was yesterday, August 14th. Well, actually, sorry, August the 15th, 2024. London session. That's why I have here like highlighted, which is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York Eastern time, right over here, New York time. And again, y'all, what's the strategy? All right, strategy. As you guys didn't know, if you don't know, go back and watch the intro video, though. The very first video, the only video. The very first video. It's gonna be this all is gonna be a playlist. So, real quick, not gonna make this long. Um, Over here I have this line which is white. Let's turn this over to a red line. Alright, down here, one of the key times is 12 to 1, which is lunch hour. I have here this low right here. Look on the bottom. This is 12:06. This was the lowest low from lunch, from 12 to 1 in the afternoon. Highlighting that. All right. As we highlighted that, because that was the only thing that was going on around two. Only thing that was going around the two. So we swept that. What's next? I'm looking for it. Try to see if I can get a reversal. Okay. As I try to look for a reversal, what we want to look for is a market shift structure, a market structure shift. Okay. So what I saw this. And make sure I have my times here, right? Actually, it's crazy. I was gonna say I seen something else, which would have actually panned out well, but I remember this clear. I'm trying to make sure. Yep, I was on 1 minute. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I was on 1 minute. Go right back here. Trying to just find that here for y'all. Cause hey, we we mess up. You know what I'm saying? We definitely sometimes get the bias wrong. And all I really saw is here. It's gonna be very small. Here, 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 here. Alright. So as we saw that, waiting for this to get taken out. This is your market structure shift. Market structure shift. Right there. I'm gonna put that MSS, market structure shift. Right there. So I'll put it right there. Bam. Alright. Um just overviewing it and looking at it now. It doesn't even give a strong bullish, like you see big candles. It seems like we're going somewhere. And even though we took out this, that was a market structure shift. That it looked good for a minute. Don't get it wrong. Like we'll see like we saw here. Put it on that. We ain't see no fair value gap on this. A fair value gap, or waiting for it to come to our Fibonacci. Our Fibonacci. So we're drawing it from here, lower low to the higher high when we're looking for a buy. Now waiting for it to come to the key fib levels. My key fib levels right here in this pocket. That's 62 up to 79. Okay, so recap right now. We took out the previous lunch low. Okay, we got a bearish scenario looking for a bullish market structure shift. Got it. Fib. Now we're looking for either a key fib level to be touched or a fair value gap. We don't get that on this leg. We don't see a fair value gap. We see the key Fibonacci tool. Bam. We're hitting. I actually hit it from here. I remember it like clear like daylight, man. I was already geeked, man. I was like, man, it looks like some equal lows, right, equal highs right here. I was like, oh man, right here. I was like, oh man, those highs look so good up there. We could probably hit up the roof. You know, we about to like. You look back like, oh man, that junk looks so clean, but not to get sidetracked. So I was so really geeked, man. Like I was already on my high right now. You know, with this strategy, man. I'm just getting so in tune with it. So as we hit that, as you see, we was in profit, and I saw all this. I was just letting it play out. I was like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? And I really like I cheated myself. I really got ran right there, and I was just like, and I put it down up here, put it down. Like you know, I was like, oh, that's too close. Cause anything less than 10 pips stop loss, you're gambling. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You're gambling. You're gambling. Stop playing yourself. So at least like to put 10, set it, forget it. And I was really just trying to make sure it's at least a 1-1 ratio, if anything. And I'll be honest with you, I think I haven't had this jump set up to like at least 15. Yeah. Like at least, like I said, at least give me 15. Like I saw that, I was like, man, come on, gotta get it. So got in around here. We went down. I was like, oh, okay. When I saw that, I was like, all right. Not too bad. And we started to push up, push up, push up. And I was like, oh, we about to take out. I even highlighted this little thing, this little key level here, 0 0 level, just to put an alert out, you know, at work 9 to 5, y'all. You know, and just trying to say, hey, okay, if that junk go up there, I know we gone. If it breaks and close over this, I'm like, we gone. I never got that alert. About to get off of work. I'm looking throughout the whole time. That junk just, and I seen it like this right here. I was like, oh boy. And just imagine me like this. I'm like, oh man, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. And I'm playing it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like, and you know, I had this like all the way down to actually, I remember telling you, I remember I had my thing like this now. Because really it's supposed to be like this, but I got in so, I feel like I got in so up here. I'm telling you. And I was just like, man, if we going past this, you know what I'm saying? I think done. So it went past that. And it took me out right here. Because I thought here, I was like, okay, maybe we just needed to sweep this low right here. Where I have this. It's like, maybe we just need to sweep this low real quick. And we about to go back up. Nah, it kept rushing right down. Now, what I'm about to get to right now is saying that why this didn't play out is we didn't see the bigger picture. Now, if you see now, if you're probably looking at this now, you probably like, Julian, well, your cat was already in a sell this whole time. Why you looking for buys? I wasn't planning on holding. I was just trying to get a nice little probably correction. Then let that jump dump. But as you can see, yeah, this jump was going down. Don't get me wrong. I was definitely on the wrong side of this trade. But what I seen, and this is a good point why you journal. It's a good reason why you journal. You always want to review your wins and losses so you can refine your strategy. And what I saw is that we wasn't on the right side, y'all. We wasn't on the right side of things, yo. Let me see right quick. Let me put this. Okay. Alright, I want y'all to look at this leg, this Fibonacci right here, from this up to here. Alright? And sometimes you're gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to do this to see where you at. Because if y'all remember, if y'all go back in my first video, I told y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a recap again. This is something you might want to write down. When you find you a nice little range like this here, where I have my Fibonacci down here, this is a uptrend. So pull, show y'all what I did. I kept looking. I didn't want to do this. I want to this point where this leg doesn't have a swing low in between. I want this to be just straight up, 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 up. No swing lows like right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no swing lows. Like I said, the candle to the left and the right of it is higher than this candle in the middle. So this is a swing low, just like this swing low down here. I don't want that. I'm looking to put my fib on it. So I went up right here. Went up to this. See how this candles is just no swing lows? You just get right, just a bullish, like an impulsive. This is what we call impulsive. Just straight, strong momentum. Big candles all the way up. And that's what I'm looking for. That's how I'm gonna find my range. That's how I'm gonna find my range. So I'll bring this fib there, swinging that bad boy up here. Look. Now, when we do from swing low to a swing high, when we're looking when up candles are going up, we have a PD array, meaning premium and discount, meaning that in that case, we want to go ahead and be in the premium. This is a premium right here. We want discounts. Okay. Premium and discount right here. Because you buy low, you sell high. That's the PD array. So premium on top of this 50%. Everything above here. So I'm trying to do a little, because I'm a visual person. Everything above here. Discount. My bad. Sorry. Premium. Sorry. Premium. Premium. Alright. And everything. Oh, let's just do this real quick. Boom. There you go. Right there. Change that color. Bam. Discount. Right here. So discount. So again, anything above the 50% is premium. Anything below the 50% is discount. In regards, long story short, is pretty much to summarize it is you want to buy low and sell high. That's the key thing. That's the whole thing in anything. You always want to buy something low and turn around and sell it to the highest bidder. So that's why it's premium on the top, discount on the bottom. And what was I trying to do here? I was trying to buy in the premium. You see, this is up here, my little drawings up here on a 4 hour. This is 4 hour chart. So sometimes you have to back out and just see the bigger picture. See the bigger picture. Because even we on this right here, like even this, we was still in this range here. See how we never broke above this low, or broke above this high or this low. But I just happened to even, and right here, that even shows you right here. Look, I was still above in the premium, trying to buy in the premium. We know you don't buy in premium, you sell in premium. So when people are trying to buy in premium, you're not doing yourself. I mean, it's riskier. It's more risk involved. Now don't get me wrong. Sometimes people will be up here, and you see how some people, if some buyers would have got in there, you still would have been up a little bit. But overall, you're risking. Your risks are more higher than people that was already in the trade down here. So once we get up here, people are looking to sell off, cut their not cut their losses, but cut their well, get their profits, take their profits, and that's how you get the bears right here, the whole bearish momentum right here. People just kept taking their profits, taking their profits, taking their profits, gone. That's what happened there, and that's where sellers get in, right there. So in regards, I should have been selling. I should have been selling. So what I'm trying to explain to you is the trade didn't work. So even though we take out a key level, now this is very important again, even though we take out a key time level of a high or a low, you want to check where you at in the market. And this is how you check where you at in the market. Either you're in the discount, you want to buy in the discount, and you want to sell in your premium. You wanna you sometimes you might not see it. I didn't see it because sometimes I'm on a 1 minute. I'm not 1 minute. I'm on a 1 hour. And like I said, this sometimes I'm still kind of get better. Is that this sometimes mess me up? Like I'd be like, oh well, maybe this is a nice little leg right here. If you and say if I just resize this, see, I would have been like, oh okay, I was under my the 50%, so I wasn't a good buy. But that wasn't a whole leg. So sometimes you have to back out the whole picture. You have to see the bigger picture. It's best to see the bigger picture because the higher time frames, higher than 1 hour, so like your 4 hour, your daily, your weekly, that's like your overall bias. Can't go wrong. You always want to follow your higher time frame bias because that's going to get you in better when you get your entries on the lower time frames. You know, like the 1 minute, anything lower than the 1 hour. That's going to get you good entries. So again, recap on this why I lost on this trade is that we was still in premium trying to buy premium. You know what I'm saying? That's like I was trying to buy $1 and turn around and sell it for $1. How I'm gonna borrow a dollar and turn around and try to sell it for a dollar? The next person next to me got $1 already. He don't want that. He wants to, we gotta have more value in it. So that's what I wanted to go over in this little short video. Again, just rewatch this video. Any questions, definitely comment down below. This is Juno the Vibes. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share this with a friend that's interested in trading, or hey, use it to your own benefit. But hey, until next time, peace.